How's it going, guys, and welcome to the 4Mar Ranch YouTube channel. So today I have the pleasure of sharing another awesome product with you guys from AR500 Target Solutions. So if you're familiar with the 4Mar Ranch YouTube channel, there's a chance you may have already seen a previous review of the steel targets that they offer. I highly recommend that you go check it out. I will have a link in the description below, and the reason I mention that is because we did a durability test as part of that review of their products, so I don't want you to miss out on that. I wanted to go ahead and share a different variety of the targets that they offer with you today, as well as a different mounting method. So in front of me today, all disassembled, is the hostage swinger target set, which is going to be a really cool and fun way to train. But the base that came with this one is a simple 2x4 target stand, and it's really cool because it just utilizes a very common and affordable 2x4 board to hang your targets. But we'll get into more details in just a second. The base is pretty easy to connect. It's got these slots that are cut out. It appears that you can go as wide as a 4x4, but we're going to go ahead and set it up for just a 2x4 because that's what we have out here. And like I said, they're very common and affordable. And it all just slides and locks together, and then you'll slide your 2x4 right down the middle in the rectangle that forms. And it's that simple. It keeps it nice and tight, but if you really want to secure it even more, they do have some screw holes in there where you can really tack things down to where it really won't back out on you. And similarly to the T-post hangers that I showed you in the previous review, they have a nice 2x4 slotted hanger that just slides on top of your 2x4, and then you'll hang your target. And again, what's really cool is if you really want to secure it more, they do have screw holes in this as well. With the included hardware, you simply just run your bolt through your target in the center, and then it hangs at this nice 20-degree angle downward so that all of the bullet shrapnel goes into the ground rather than back at the shooter. And they really were courteous to include a nylock nut so that it doesn't back out with all the vibration of shooting. And there you go, guys, your target's hung. But like I said, this is their hostage swinger, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now with your hostage swinger set, you'll essentially get two additional pieces. One will go onto the back of the target, and then the hostage per se will just slide right in, and it'll go back and forth as you shoot it. Now everything is made out of nice robust parts, so I don't foresee anything breaking anytime soon. And like mentioned, I've already done a durability test on AR500 Target Solutions targets in the past, where I went way within what is recommended, which, if you don't know, is 100 yards when shooting rifles at steel, and they still held up just fine, and to this day they're still holding up just great. Alright guys, so it's that easy, that quick to set up. Now let's get into the fun part. Alright guys, so I guess for good measure, we'll go ahead and kind of abuse the target just a little bit with the AK. Now, disclaimer here guys, this is not what AR500 Target Solutions recommends. You're supposed to be at least 100 yards away, and that's for a couple of reasons. Ricochets is obviously the no-brainer, that's number one, but if you get close to steel targets when shooting, especially with something higher powered, full metal jackets coming out of the tube, it'll actually take little notches out of your target, just very little dimples, and over time, those can fragment or cause extra fragmentation to come back at the shooter. It's not a good idea. I don't recommend it. The only reason I'm doing it is to show you the durability and how well the targets stand up against it, so that you can put a little bit more confidence in it and you don't have to do it yourself to make sure you're not getting a flimsy target. These things are great, guys. So like I said, we'll go ahead and put it through the numbers. Go down range and take a look at our target. Okay, so like I said, you never want to do this, but here's where the AK hit. I know you guys probably can't tell on camera, but there's just the slightest of dimples where the AK rounds hit. I was only at about 30 yards away, so well within what you're supposed to do with steel targets, guys. I did hit the spinner as well a couple times on both sides just to make sure it holds up, and like I said, it holds up great. And I guess what's important, I'll give you guys the side profile. Nothing is bent, nothing is warped. It all looks really, really good, and everything's hanging together. So you'll notice on the back side here, obviously you're gonna get some paint that's gonna start chipping off from just the spalling effects of this front plate, guys, that's just going to kind of splash at things. But other than aesthetic, it's really not hurting anything, guys. Everything's holding together, including the hardware, the stand, you name it. It's doing really, really good. And like I said, it should last the test of time and the abuse if you choose to not listen to what they recommend in terms of use. Well, talk can be kind of cheap, so just in case you don't want to take the time to check out the previous review, here is one of the silhouette targets they had previously sent to me that has undergone hundreds and hundreds of rounds so far, and it is still staying strong. Obviously, it could use a fresh coat of spray paint, but you'll see the edges are all still good. There's really no issues. Of course, you're going to start to get little nicks. I don't know how well you guys can see that through the camera. But I mean, for how many rounds, and like I said, well within what is recommended for a steel target, using full metal jacket up to 308 caliber, this thing is just really hanging in there, and I bet it'll be around for years and years to come, guys. So if you invest in AR500 Target Solutions, you can do so with confidence. All right, well, there you have it, guys. This is the Hostage Target by AR500 Target Solutions. It is honestly my favorite in the collection now. I cannot wait to get more reps in. As you can see there, I was really starting to enjoy myself. It's a really fun target, simple to set up, and it's pretty affordable, guys. So make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go to the AR500 Target Solutions website. Definitely send them some love. They're a great company. They'll take great care of you. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video and for stopping by the 4MR Ranch YouTube channel. Have a good one.